Hi everyone, I'm Caleb, the founder of Precision Cut Lawn Service out of Indianapolis and also the Service Estimator. I'm here to show you how to send out a snow quote. If you go to our website, there's a thing at the top that you can click for login. There's the lawn care app, which is what most people use, but since we're in snow season, I'll show you the plowing app. So you just click it, you log in, and then you're able to send out estimates. I'm going to show you an existing client that we need to send a quote to. Pulls up their address, but if you need to put in a new one, you can. And then I know their parking lot is standard, and you can set your triggers and everything else. And so then, just like with the normal service estimator for lawn care, just brings you to a map. Right now it's on parking lot, so I'm going to mark out the parking lot. Then I'm going to mark the sidewalks in just a second. So then you mark the sidewalks. If you know the property like I do, and that's the sidewalk, but you want to go over here and mark another one, if you just double click, let's do that again. Alright, sidewalk there. And there you go. It's marked. Then for snow storage, you just say where you can put the snow. And there's nothing along that whole side of the building, and then here and everything else is grass. Landscaping. So then it maps it. So there is your map. It's made it for your crews. Also, it's 5,600 square feet, and it defaults it to what our minimum price is. We made everything on the snow side completely customizable, so then you can go in and actually change what your pricing is and then what your terms are. So for us, we usually charge 50% more, so that'd be $245 for every 2-inch increment. And we'll say 80 more. You can edit your pricing. I'm going to edit the price here because I don't like change, so I'll make it $165. Parking lot, you can click everything you want for them, what services they're actually signing up for, everything else. And then at the bottom it has triggers pre-saved. You can add your own triggers, you can add your own terms, you can do anything and everything you want to make it in. So then once it's saved in the system, you click send. If you click on email settings, you can change this to where it says like new snow estimate. You can change the wording in here as much as you want, anything else, and you click submit. It then emails it out to your client. You have a register right here to where all the info is good to go, and you'll notice that it's obviously sending us here at the office. And then it will eventually come to us. So it lets me know that I sent out the estimate, along with the map and all the services that were selected.